Washington, D.C. window installation is a crucial service for both residential and commercial properties. With a variety of window styles available, including double-hung windows, vinyl windows, and custom windows, homeowners and businesses can find the perfect fit for their needs. Window contractors in Washington, D.C. offer expert window frame installation and window sealing services to ensure energy efficiency and security. Energy-efficient windows in D.C. are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Insulated windows and window glazing are key components of energy-efficient window solutions. Window replacement in Washington, D.C. often involves upgrading to these energy-efficient options, providing long-term savings and environmental benefits. Custom windows in Washington offer a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal of any property. With a range of window design services available, including window hardware and window tinting, residents can achieve a personalized look. Window fitting in Washington, D.C. ensures that each custom window is installed with precision and care. Window replacement services in D.C. are essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of windows. Whether dealing with broken glass or damaged frames, professional window replacement can restore windows to their original condition. Regular window maintenance in Washington, D.C. Window installation helps prevent costly replacements and extends the life of windows. Residential window installation in D.C. is a specialized service that caters to the unique needs of homeowners. From window measurements to window glass installation, every step is handled with expertise. Window security services in Washington, D.C. provide added peace of mind, ensuring that homes are protected against intruders. Commercial window services in Washington are designed to meet the demands of businesses and commercial properties. With options for window upgrades and window solutions, businesses can improve their building's appearance and energy efficiency. Window contractors in Washington, D.C. offer comprehensive services, including window glazing and window frame installation. Window styles in Washington vary widely, offering something for every taste and architectural style. From traditional double-hung windows to modern vinyl windows, the options are endless. Window design services in D.C. help clients choose the best styles to complement their property's architecture and personal preferences. Window glass installation in D.C. is a critical component of any window project. Professional installation ensures that windows are properly sealed and insulated, enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. Window sealing services in Washington, D.C. are essential for preventing drafts and reducing energy costs. Window hardware in Washington, D.C. includes a variety of options to enhance both functionality and security. From locks to handles, the right hardware can make a significant difference in the performance of windows. Window security services in D.C. provide additional protection, ensuring that windows are both secure and easy to operate. Window tinting in Washington is a popular choice for those looking to reduce glare and improve privacy. Tinting can also enhance energy efficiency by blocking harmful UV rays. Window tinting services in D.C. offer a range of options to suit different needs and preferences. Window measurements in D.C. are a critical step in the window installation process. Accurate measurements ensure that windows fit perfectly and function properly. Professional window contractors in Washington, D.C. Window installation take precise measurements to guarantee a seamless installation.